Let me give you a real quick 6-month sprint. If you don't know anything about AI and you want to get you a job, what do I think you should learn to figure that out? So I would say in months 1 through 2, I want you to take some free resources that are already out there. You've seen NIST, they have an AI risk management framework. It might be abbreviated AI RMF. There's this OWASP machine learning top security. There's the Stanford ML systems design standards. There's a bunch of other ones. Just read the news about it. Get a basic understanding of what we're talking about. And I really think it gives you a higher ROI just being able to talk about it and know the words to use and know the recent updates, right? The recent news about it. Sometimes it's 90% of your job is just knowing the jargon so that you can communicate with your team. And so this would just be the first couple of months. If you know nothing, go out there and learn everything you can high level about AI. 3 to 4 months later, I say you should be working on hands-on skills. So if you want to be a security person, test prompt injection vulnerabilities. If you think you're going to build data models and use them for data science, start doing that. But I think the trick here is publishing this in Git, putting it out for the public to see. You want to make sure everybody can see you demonstrating actual technical skills. All right, so a lot of the GitHub repo history commits shows you're working on a project related to AI. It's also got some Python coding in there. Little by little, you're showing somebody who's coming and just looking through your profile, you're showing them you know what to do and that you've touched it before. And sometimes that's the number one thing that gets us cut is they go looking for us and they can't find us anywhere in GitHub. They don't see us, you know, helping the community out on the news groups or wherever the community is. So it's important to get involved, right? Do some hands-on stuff, and then make sure you share it. Tier 3, right? Add a specialization. So somewhere between months 5 and 6, you got to pick somewhere to focus. Do you want to be an AWS AI practitioner? Do you want to learn Google Cloud instead? Choose one. They're pretty much all going to be here between AWS, Microsoft, and Google. So just choose something along one of those lines. Maybe you just want to learn uh, how to build your own AI, right? And there will be certifications for that. But somewhere around months 5 to 6, you need to choose a security on your path or a certificate on your path and go get that certificate. All right, that's going to show everybody that you have proof that you've learned the skill. All right, then you got the history on your GitHub. You got the background so you can talk the jargon.